Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to go through all about strings. How can we make a string and what is a string, and the types and the things inside the string. So firstly, for creating a string, you can just create a variable or type that called print. So I'm going to create a variable in my case. So afterwards, if I just in brackets with quotes or double quotes, if I type it, that's a string, so str. So for checking if it's a string, I need to print type, and here I need to type my variable name, that's x. So I'm going to save and print it, run it. So here you can see class string. str means string. So that's how we create a string. So if you have some digits and 1, 2, 3, and you don't want it to be some or the other integer or float, and you want it to be string, then you can here you can type str, and then it's a string. I'm gonna run it and show it to you. So now see, it is a string. So it beats off the integer and comes into the string. That's the same way I can do it for float also. Float, and I'm going to create a video for float and integer also. But now we are on string, so str. So I'm going to keep some text over here. So hello, I am just underline. So I'm just gonna do it like this by clicking Ctrl plus /, and this makes if you do that, that makes it like it has no value. So if I run it, so it should print out type of x, but I've done that because now see, it didn't printed anything, it just plain. But if I put Ctrl for a second, it comes back again, and now it prints. So that's a good useful thing in your future. Right, you can just put Ctrl plus /. So here I'm going to show all the types. So for doing that, you can simply create a variable. So I've already created it. So then type x and the variable name dot, and you can find everything. Every feature of string is visible in front of your eyes now. All of these are the string methods. So if I explain this might take a whole day. So I'm just going to show a few. So like lower, over. So lower makes the, so all of them are lower, so I'm going to keep them in capitals. So delete and capital. What is your name? And just normally. So I'm just gonna then print x. So I'll print. And it doesn't do any changes permanently. Now see, if I'm gonna run it, it gives off in lower. So I'm having an error. Oh yeah, because I kept this underlines, it can't convert those underlines. Oh, I saw I'm having some issue with my Python. So I'm able to do all those things. So I'm working this right. And yeah, I'm having some issue, but lower makes it. So I guess I need to see the codes. And yes, so it works. So it's not issue with my Python. So it's what it simply does is it turns capitals into small. So if I want it to be title, and title also is very useful thing. It only keeps the first word in the capital and all of them in small. And like that, if you want anything to be in the capitals of them. So I'm just gonna type what is your name, and over here I'm just gonna type upper, and what upper does is gives off them in caps. So there are many more, but I can't explain it now. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.